I wonder if it will fit me. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something really cool to share with you guys. It's like a sneaker, yet it's a Lego. Which one is which? Let's dive in. You are right guys, if you think that this is a sneaker, it is. If you think this is a Lego set, it also is. It's basically a collaboration between Lego and Adidas on their very famous shoes, the Superstar. In fact, the white color Superstar with the famous 3 black stripes, this is it. It's the first time that they have created a shoe. So it's definitely a big thing in this year. Now before we look into the shoe, I want to just quickly run us through the box. If you look at it, this box is really just like a sneaker box. It's the same, it's meant to be that way. It was created on purpose, and you will see that it has even the barcode as well as the information about the shoe over here. What you don't get is probably the shoe size, but actually the shoe size is 7.5 US. What you will see here is a Lego kind of head that was also similar to the other boxes that I've reviewed for the real shoes of Adidas and Lego. You would be forgiven if you were to think that this is a shoe box of a real pair of sneakers. It has the Lego Adidas brand over here. Now you would know it's a Lego if you flip it below, and then you will see over here it has the shoes in different angles, the sole, the side as well as the front. The unboxing experience is also very nice. You can see that when you flip it open, it gives out that little shoe over here, and when you open up that box, it even has the paper that usually comes with sneakers. Let's close this box and put this thing aside. So let's look at the shoe now. So this looks exactly like the famous Adidas sneakers, the Superstar model. And as you can see, it has the 3 black stripes here with the Superstar name here. Adidas has also its brand across the shoe in a few forms. At the tongue, you would have the Adidas logo on top. In the insole, there is a Adidas brand inside as well as over the heel. Now this shoe is actually made of mainly 4 parts. There is the sole, the base, and then the 2 sides of it, as well as the tongue. Now a little bit more about this pair of shoes is that the sides are actually a bit more movable because it's meant to reflect like how you would tie a shoelace on your own, whereby there is a tightness or a looseness that you want, and that has been made very cleverly over here as well. On the front is actually a shell toe. So this shell toe is actually the new part that Lego has created, and as from what I understand, it's going to be probably featured in new Lego sets in the future. Inside the shoes, in the insole, there's also a little red brick inside, and this red brick actually represents a very similar of the Adidas Lego shoes, which I've reviewed recently, where they always have a little red brick inside the insole. So the difficulty level of this shoe is not too difficult, it's not too hard. I think what Lego is doing is to introduce sneaker fans to Lego. However, one thing I would have to say, which is kind of amusing, and probably new fans or new customers to Lego will find it amusing, whereby the foundation is built based on multiple stacks of colored Lego, but it's actually hidden in the end of the day, and you can't see it anywhere around when the shoe is being done. So that might be quite, I don't know, some people might find it interesting, and some people might think, why am I doing so much work just to get that piece up, which is not being shown at the end of the day. The sole is kind of like Lego-ish here. There's no Adidas logo on top of it, so it's just plain Lego. And now let us put this Lego on the stand for display. There you go. If you guys were to purchase this Lego set during the promotion period, you would actually get a mini Adidas shoe as well, and this is it. Here we go. It's quite cute. It's the flip of the white, so it's the black version, but still with the 3 stripes, and the stripes are in white. You also get a figurine with a music player as well as a mic. Here you go. It's quite cute actually. The little guy that came with the little shoe. So there you have it, guys. This set is new. It's just out in the market. For sneaker fans, I think you would like to actually have a look at it. It's a very unique Lego set. And for Lego fans, do check it out. It's the first shoe from Lego, so it's definitely unique as well. Now, one more point to note, Adidas will be launching and releasing the real version of these sneakers towards the end of the month, whereby it will be the same replica, but this time it will be a real shoe that you can wear. I'm looking forward to that. So till then, guys, I would love to hear from you. If you are a sneakerhead or a sneaker fan, let me know what you think about this shoe. And if you are a Lego fan, do let me know your thoughts as well. And in the meantime, if you find this video interesting, do share it out to your friends. And you can also subscribe to my channel for more Big Boys Toys reviews such as sneakers, Legos, and other fun stuff. Till then, I'll see you guys around. Take care. I want to add that I find something a bit unique or odd over here is that here where the Superstar is, you can actually open it up and you will see there's a little green color underneath. I do not know what it's for or what's the purpose of it. Is it a preview for something in the future which is green in color? If any of you guys know what's the purpose for, do share it in the comment below. Oh yeah, I also need to mention that while this shoe is actually your right shoe, you can actually build a left version. Lego and Adidas actually gave another set to build. Scan the QR code and you'll be brought to a page that will teach you and guide you how to actually build the left part of the shoe. Now, some of you might just build a left part of it, some of you might stick to the right part of it, and maybe some of you would actually buy two sets, right? And actually build both the left and right. Whichever you choose, let me know in the comment below.